It's a cold winter evening, and you're huddled around the kitchen table, staring at a pile of bills that seem to grow larger with every glance. The tax season is looming, and the fear of what the IRS might claim from your hard-earned money feels like a shadow casting a chill over your family's future. But what if there's a way to keep more of what's yours? A way to turn that shadow into light?
Welcome to Tax Goddess, your best source for tips and information for unlocking tax reduction and maximum tax savings. Today, we will reveal some of the most rewarding tax relief programs you can utilize for substantial tax breaks in 2024. Here are the top 5. 1. Enhanced Child Tax Credit. The Child Tax Credit is like a warm hug for families, offering relief that can make a real difference in your household budget. In 2024, this credit has been enhanced, allowing parents to claim up to $2,000 per child, with a significant portion refundable. This means that even if your tax bill is lower than the credit, you could still receive a refund check, cash in hand, to support your family's needs. 2. Bonus Depreciation Extensions. The 2024 Tax Relief Act extends bonus depreciation, allowing businesses to deduct 60% of the cost of new equipment immediately, rather than spreading it over several years. It is like getting a financial boost for your business. More money to reinvest, hire new staff, or simply keep your operations humming smoothly. 3. Disaster Tax Relief. For those who the unpredictable forces of nature have hit, whether it's hurricanes, wildfires, or floods, Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act of 2024 offers a lifeline. This legislation provides critical tax relief for those affected by disasters, helping to rebuild homes, lives, and futures. 4. Research and Development Expense Deduction. Then there's the relief for research and development, R&D expenses. If your business is innovating and pushing boundaries, this provision is your guide through uncharted territories. The tax code now allows for immediate tax deductions on R&D, so you can reinvest in your business's future without the drag of spreading costs over the years. It's about keeping momentum, about accelerating toward discovery, tax savings, and business growth. 5. Affordable Housing Tax Credit. Finally, there's the Affordable Housing Tax Credit, which helps finance the construction of homes for low-income families. This isn't just about tax savings, it's about community, about providing a roof over the heads of those who need it most. This credit makes it easier to invest in affordable housing, offering both financial rewards and the deep satisfaction of making a difference. These aren't just tax deductions or credits. They're opportunities to take control of your financial future, to provide for your loved ones, and to give back to your community. So, don't just pay your dues this tax season. Take advantage of opportunities that help you secure your financial future.